Oh my gosh. I'm hoping that this looks okay because I honestly do not have a monitor with me right now. I am completely just filming in my new space. So I am out here in the studio, and this is basically just me testing out the camera, testing out the audio quality, and basically an ultimate test to see if I'm in focus because, again, I don't have a monitor. Xavier broke my monitor, and I can't hook it up digitally to my phone because it only does that with pictures. So this is our situation for now. I am going to be getting a nice chair instead of this lawn chair, and I'm gonna get a and I am going to be getting a backdrop stand for my backdrop behind me. So this is what we are working with for now, and hopefully things will improve over the next several videos. So I'm just gonna go and see the audio quality and the visual quality, the clarity of my face, and then we will get started with the makeup because this is a huge gamble right now. Okay, so everything looked good from that little test. I unfortunately don't have a table with me at all, but we're just gonna have to do with what we have. So I'm just lucky that I have my ring light on and everything is checking out okay. I do have a venti iced soy honey latte from Starbucks because I need it right now. It is currently 9:09 and I have work in the morning and I still need to take a shower, but I dedicated Wednesdays to filming. I just got done with this whole makeshift setup for now, and also I came back from my parents' house with Blue. As some of you may not know because you don't watch my vlogs, Blue is my new puppy. I got him with my roommate. We went in on him together, and he is a 3-month-old, gonna be 4-month-old as of the 29th of July. German short-haired pointer, and he's just the cutest little thing in the entire world, and I am so excited to just be sharing a bunch of pictures with you all. He does have an Instagram. I will have his Instagram handle right here on the screen if you want to go follow him because he's just the cutest little thing. But as I was saying, I don't really have a whole lot in this space right now. I don't have a table, so I'm kind of using this makeshift table. I don't have a stand mirror or anything, so I'm gonna have to be ordering that soon, but for now I'm just gonna be using this mirror from the Becca Chloe Malika BFFs collection just to apply my makeup because this is what I'm working with so far right now, and I have little eyelashes in there that I'm going to be using for this video, and these are the Ardell Magnetic 110s that I absolutely love using, so I'm very excited to be putting those on. I haven't really done a sit-down makeup video since the very beginning of the pandemic, and I want to say even a little bit before that because, again, when Xavier came back from college, he wanted to use the Xbox 360, and it was hooked up to my computer monitor that I happened to film my videos with, and he messed with it. It got broken. The connection is no longer there, so I'm gonna have to purchase a new monitor. In the meantime, this is what we're stuck doing. I'm kind of just hoping I'm in focus and centered in the frame. I do check on it before I come and sit down, but then again, it's a huge gamble, but we will see. And I also just ordered a cable for this Rhodes microphone that I have had for several months now, but it just hasn't been hooked up. So enough with my rambling, and let's just get on into the makeup look. So as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a boy and girl makeup look for newborn babies because several of the people that I know have been getting pregnant, having babies, and they are boys and girls. And I don't know if it's something in the water here or what's happening, but yeah, it's just kind of weird. A bunch of people are getting pregnant, having babies, and I figured that I should just do a whole makeup look surrounding, you know, boys, girls, pink, blue, kind of cotton candy colors. And I know that there's a big controversy going on right now, but I am going to be using the palettes that I have. I am not going to be purchasing any future palettes, even though the quality is amazing. I just can't support what this brand is protruding out there into the universe right now. And of course, just a bunch of rumors circulating. So until further notice, I'm not going to be purchasing any other products from this brand. But I don't see the point in destroying the products either, because the brand already has my money and it would just end up defeating the whole purpose of me buying this. I've already used it. I can't get my money back, so I might as well use it. And if I destroyed it, the money would be wasted. So that's my standpoint. If you disagree with me, go ahead and leave your thoughts in the comments below, but just no negativity. Just try to keep it real civil. And unfortunately, I do have my eyeshadow base in the house, but I don't want to go back in because this filming area that I have is a detached building from the house that I live in. So I'm just gonna deal with it. And I'm just gonna be like powdering my face at the very end of this because I do have makeup from the rest of the day and I'm gonna be taking a shower after this, so there's just no point in wasting additional makeup. So I'm going to be starting off with the boy side, and I think I'm going to be going in to this color, Blue Monday. I think I'm just going to be using a cheaper eyeshadow base if I have it in this bag. Oh, I do. So this is the eyeshadow base that I started out with. This is the first eyeshadow base that I ever started using, and it is the NYX Skin Tone eyeshadow base. And it works fairly well, but I find that it doesn't keep my makeup on for as long as the other eyeshadow base that I use. So it's up to you if it's worth it for you. For me, it's totally worth it. I will 100% spend the extra few dollars on a higher quality product. But if you're a beginner and your eyelids aren't as oily as mine, I would recommend just the NYX, because it is a good product, but my eyelids are just super oily. It breaks down the makeup way too fast. It is way too quiet in here. I'm kind of like unnerved right now. This is the first time I'm doing makeup in here, the first time I'm filming it, and this isn't the first time that I'm doing makeup since the start of the pandemic. I did my roommate's makeup for the 4th of July. I did my makeup for the 4th of July. I think it turned out really cute. I did it a little bit lighter on her just because she's not used to wearing a whole lot of makeup. Oh, and I have a podcast in case some of you have not been watching my vlogs. The podcast is called Colorado Health Coach, and lately on there I've just been talking more about life in general and not so much health, but wellness in your life, you know, connects to your overall health. So I view it as all being connected. So now I'm going to be dipping into the color Deceased with a Morphe M456 brush. In other news, Xavier is actually looking for a vehicle. I'm very excited for him. I'm very proud of him. For those of you who are new to the channel, Xavier is my brother. I am super proud of him. I'm a very proud big sister. He and I are 4 years apart, and he was actually born on my birthday, April 13th. And I absolutely love my brother. He is just the best human being ever. And he's looking for a car. He's growing up so fast. He's a sophomore in college as of this fall, which is really scary to say. It's really scary to say out loud. I mean, where does the time go? Like, I'm sure that's what my parents were thinking when I graduated and everything. You know? It's crazy. But it's different because, like, this is my little brother. It's kind of weird saying that he's my little brother, though, because he is so much taller than me. But that's because I'm 5'3". I'm a little shorty in my family. Because on my mom's side of the family, they're all pretty tall, relatively tall. It's so crazy how boys are stereotypically blue and girls are stereotypically pink, because I don't know why, I just cannot stand the color pink. And it's so odd. It's so odd. So I'm just going to be taking my finger and going in. Okay guys, so unfortunately the camera got turned off. So I just wanted to show you all the end result. Like the final product of what I did. I decided to end up doing blue on this side in the lower lash line and kind of continue it up here to make almost a little wing, and then the same on this side with the pink. And then I just put on some white from the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, the white right over there at the other end of the palette, and I just put on the pink and blue different tones that I used up here in the eyes on my lips, as you could tell. And it kind of turned out as in 80s. It kind of reminds me of the 80s, but I actually really like the way that it turned out. I think it looks really like cute and fun. Obviously this isn't like a daytime wearable look, but I can totally see someone wearing it in a movie for the 80s, and I kind of feel like Nicki Minaj when I wear it. So yeah, I just wanted to get on here, wrap up the video, tell you all what I ended up doing. I just lined my eyes with eyeliner. I didn't do a wing or anything because I felt like that would be too dramatic, but I did put on my Ardell 110s, and yeah, that is the final look for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more content, and remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I promise I will have the camera charged fully next time. I promise. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.